This is our Fly Fishing Made Easy video plan.
I'm gonna take you fishing, honey. You're gonna love it. Gonna get up before the sun can rise above us.
This is the place, huh?
In a leaky boat, it ain't much, but if you bear a little float, I'm gonna take you fishing, honey. You're gonna love it.
Oh, you got a dog with you.
This is the 1930s fly, the Black Ghost. One of my favorites.
A dry fly, as the name implies, is meant to remain dry and float on the surface of the water.
All right, now what?
Coffee.
Oh, coffee, okay.
Now what I want to show you is the hand position. I'm going to do three areas. I'm going to do it fairly close to the camera so you can see how I'm holding the rod, a little further away so you can see the angle of things, and then a third one a bit more distance to show you how it works.
Just kind of work our way. You can kind of see a path here. A little path, not much.
This is real fishing. I like to catch them fish. You bet I know my spots. I got my vessel full, about 1,000 rods.
Now it's time to tie a few knots.
See? I'm making the barb go away.
F-I-S-H-I-N-G. Everybody say F-I-S-H-I-N-G. All my fishermen. F-I-S-H-I-N-G. One more time, say F-I-S-H-I-N-G.
If you will be wading where it is slippery, make sure you at least have felt soles. If it is very slippery, you will want metal cleats also.
Fishing, fishing is one of the gentlest arts. Whether you fish for fishes or whether you fish for hearts.
There's a fish, see it? He was looking at that fly.
There he is.
Too smart?
Well, that was lovely, but we don't have really a conclusion to the story. We didn't catch any fish.
I failed. What
Well-
can I say?
Well, you didn't fail, the fish failed.
No, I failed. I didn't match the fly. I didn't have it. Didn't have what it took. Had a few strikes, but close only counts in horseshoes, grenades, and drive-in movies.
You go fishing, I'll tell you what to do. You go sit down with the breeze is smooth. Take a piece of string and tie it on your pole and throw it way out in the middle of the hole.
We hope this video has added to your excitement about starting the sport of fly fishing.
When the water goes bad, the fish all run. Sit all day and not catch one.